Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 35mm reversal film, you see that perforation hole here, just a touch. Well, anyways, this is always, I love this shot. Good timing, good focused on this bird's eye. Well, I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges. Well, this is not work, of course. I'm gonna make something different, exciting image from this too. Well, I'm gonna use oil paint brush this time, and I may try watercolor later. Okay, now today's oil paint like. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then I'm gonna keep this base image. Just turn it off. Then I'm gonna work on this, but I'm gonna move this empty layer in between these base image and also pencil drawing type image. I may draw here too, but I'm gonna start from here. Well, let's get started. On this base image, okay, I'm gonna. Well, first of all, I chose oil paint, round, and no color, only texture first. Now let's see. We're gonna get watercolor texture. Doesn't move. Oh well. Convert to pixel layer. No wonder. That's right. Okay, make it a little bit smaller. Nice highlight. Nice white dot on this wing. Look at this. Nice angle of that. I shot this image on Santa Monica. There is so many birds around Santa Monica Pier. I had a 35mm camera, so nice, good timing. Oh, we see two eyes. Look at this. I just found. I didn't realize these long days. Well. Really nice angle. If I had to focus on this wing, but just right on, focused on eyes. That's great. So lucky. There's no automatic focus that time. No camera has automatic focus system. Well, smudged, I'm using the oil paint brush as if smudged tool. Okay. Now go for sky. Well, I'm gonna use oil paint flat, then pretty big size. Paint mix, maybe 70 or so. I'm gonna mix up much bigger. Go for size 600. I will get texture, and I will mix some different colors. Well, let's see. Mixed with. Maybe I like this. Well, that's so interesting. Look at these textures. I like this texture here. Like moving power of the bird's wing. I like this. Yeah. What do you think? Well, I'm gonna add some more, a little bit different color too. Now I have pencil drawing type image here. I'm going to turn it on. Then I'm going to change the blend mode. Normal to darken. Multiply. Color. Wow. Overlay. But I like the base oil paint. Soft light. No, this time it doesn't affect much. It's nice. I kind of like it. I still like this. Yeah, what else can I do? This is full frame shot. So I only see this. Okay. Yeah, I still like this color and texture of the movement of the bird. I don't think I'm gonna use this layer, so I'm gonna just delete. Then let's see this pencil drawing type image overlay. Well, looks kind of clean look. I just like this straight oil paint I did on this smudging. That's pretty cool. The image, what I painted on. This is too much light, right? This is dark. So I just change overlay to 30%, 35. Then maybe make mask from outside. Let's see. Now create empty mask, invert mask, then reveal, well, 100%. Then move this empty layer, go up, turn it on. It's now overlay, so well, just leave it this way and well, let's see. No, I don't need it. Okay, I'm gonna clear this. Then I'm gonna paint oil paint chunky. Get some cyan green or something. Let's pick up the color, huh? Clear. Even though just touch paint, it's gonna just wow all over. That's interesting. Okay, in this case, just play around with these colors. Okay, well, interesting. Soft light of this layer. This is normal. This one is pencil drawing type image. Now it's overlay 30%. So I'm gonna paint on this layer again. Oil paint flat. Impression of the Santa Monica Beach. Well, I kind of like this, and now I'm gonna make mask, create empty mask. Well, I think I did. Yeah, I guess that's it for today, and I painted on here. This is a color my impression of one day in Santa Monica Beach. Okay, then this is pencil drawing type. Overlay 35%. Lighten up. Then this is oil paint. That's it. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of creative, some kind of your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.